Hey guys, Joe here from Gateway Credit Repair, and tonight I have my wife Crystal with me.
Hey, I don't think I've met most of you. I am Joe's wife. We've got an exciting opportunity to offer someone in need this month. We would like to offer a scholarship to become a client with Gateway Credit Repair. This is going to offer all of our services completely free of charge. So how can they do it? How do they do it?
All right.
How does it work?
So here's what we need you guys to do. If you or someone you know is in need of help but can't afford it or can't fit it into their budget, all we need you to do is send us an email with why we should choose you. So April 13th is the cutoff date. So just have your emails in by April 13th, and April 14th we'll start going over everything and we'll contact you to just go over some questions because we want to make sure that we're able to help you. So we want to make sure that you're a good fit. So like and share this, guys. Give people an opportunity to get some help. And as always, if you need some help with your credit, if you need to get a mortgage or a car, anything at all, schedule a free consultation with us and we'll go over everything with you. All right, guys. I'm really happy that I have Crystal here with me, finally get an opportunity to show that I do have a wife and she is helping.
She's real.
She is real. All right, guys. Have a good night and we'll talk to you soon.